Introduction to the course. Welcome to the BA or B's Compulsory English-I Communication Skills course. It comprises 99 units carrying 3 credit hours that you have to complete in 1 semester. The course aims at a positive, constructive, and practical approach to learning English language by helping you develop the 4 language skills such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing, with a special focus on functional grammar. It will hopefully facilitate you to compete in all kinds of educational and professional opportunities that you encounter in your daily life with confidence and ease. This is a highly practical and interactive course. We will encourage you to participate both individually and in small groups in your tutorials, involving yourself in a variety of practical exercises, interactive discussions, and role plays that we have given throughout the course. It is often said that we learn by doing. This is particularly true about language learning. We learn a language by practicing and using it. Therefore, we have designed this course as an activity-based course. You should try to do every exercise. Some of them are short and easy, while others are longer and more difficult and so require more attention. Whether the exercises are easy or difficult, we have tried to give simple instructions and clear examples for you to follow, so you should know exactly what to do. Objectives of the course. Upon successful completion of the course, you will be able to perform various language functions like asking and answering questions, seeking confirmation, agreeing or disagreeing, expressing preference and intention, asking for permission and accepting or declining permission, expressing appreciation and gratitude, etc. Demonstrate knowledge of specific grammatical concepts. Read for specific purposes by skimming and scanning the texts, identifying main ideas and supporting details, making inferences, drawing accurate conclusions, and identifying author as purpose. Write cohesive paragraphs and essays. Develop vocabulary skills through meaningful vocabulary development. Exercises.